Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many people face when trying to download Windows 10 Enterprise. You might encounter a situation where you're unable to verify the download or access certain sections of the website when using a desktop browser. But fear not, there's a solution to this dilemma. In the solution, the key is to access the provided links using a mobile browser. By doing so, you'll be able to navigate to the Verify Your Download section and download the necessary files with ease. Additionally, creating an account on My Visual Studio can provide you with access to the Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2021 product information, including the hash value. Follow the steps outlined in the given URLs to find all the essential details. In summary, encountering difficulties with downloading Windows 10 Enterprise can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can overcome them. By accessing the links provided and following the steps mentioned, you'll be able to verify your downloads and obtain the necessary files hassle-free. So, give it a try and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with a little help, you'll navigate it like a pro.